Hi everyone! I'm going to make today peanut butter cheesecake, but instead of using graham cracker for crust, we are going to make cookies, peanut butter cookies. So, let's start it for our crust. Okay, let's start it making a crust. So, we are going to use half cup of butter. So I'm just gonna chop this and then melt it little bit. We are going to use baking soda, baking powder, peanut butter, and flour and sugar, and chocolate chips, egg, and vanilla extract. So now we have to mix the dry ingredients while our butter is getting softened. So let's start it for 1 cup and 1/4 cup of flour. So this one I'm using the half cup, so we have to divide it. And then we add the flour. Just have to mix this. Cup sugar. So I used to because this is half cup. Okay. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. We just have to mix this together. Add your 1 egg. And little bit of vanilla. Peanut butter. You can use 1/3 of peanut butter. So 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Use the peanut butter that it's not sweet. And put that in there to mix this. You just have to mix this a little bit. Then the butter is soft, and now we just add to the mixture, and we just have to mix this really well. Add a little bit of, use 1/8 cup of milk. You just have to mix this really good. Now we have a Pyrex here, and then we just have to put half of the cookie dough. Don't worry, it's not gonna stick in your hand. So we put a little bit of chocolate chips. We just have to roll this to mix this. And then we have to put in the pan. Just add more if you want. Now, we just have to chill this for 20 minutes and then we are going to bake this for about 15 minutes and 350 Fahrenheit. Okay guys, we're going to make the filling. We have to use the cream cheese like one and a half of the cream cheese. Just have to open this. This is the soft cream cheese. Here. And now we're going to put sugar. This is the powdered sugar, and we just have to add the okay. Good. Now try to mix this. Then add sour cream. Then you just have to mix this. Then add peanut butter. Depends how much you want to put, but I put like half a cup of peanut butter. And it has the crunch of the peanut butter. So just add a little bit of vanilla and heavy cream. Use half of the heavy cream. I put already the cookies in the oven. So we just have to wait that until it's cooked. So we just have to bake that for 15 minutes. Everyone, I just have to put chocolate chips here to melt it. Then we are going to use it in our cheesecake. Okay, our cookies is ready. You just have to make sure that it's cooled down already. Then we have to put our peanut butter cream. The filling, we just have to put this on top. It's gonna be good. So it's Michelle, 6 months today, and Troy and I 2 years anniversary for our marriage. And we cook, we make our favorite dessert. It's a peanut butter cheesecake. So we have a melted chocolate chips here. Just have to drop a little bit here and drop a little bit here. And then use the fork or the knife. Everyone, here's our peanut butter cheesecake. So hope you guys will like it. See you again. Bye.